Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, your seatbelt must be securely fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle. Tighten by pulling on the strap so that it is low and tight across your lap to release the belt at the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected repair. Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is not allowed on this or any Delta flight. Federal law does prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying a restroom smoke detector. This MD90 aircraft has 2 forward doors, 1 on each side, 4 windows just over the wing, and 2 doors in the back, 1 on the side and 1 in the tail. The 3 side doors are equipped with detachable slides that can be used for flotation. Once again, this aircraft has 2 forward doors, 1 on each side, 4 window exits over the wing, and 2 doors in the back, 1 on the side and 1 in the tail. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exits nearest you, keeping in mind they may be behind you. If there's a loss of cabin pressure, a panel above your seat will open, revealing oxygen mask. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and know that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. We ask that you please secure your own mask before helping others. A life vest is located under or between your seats. In addition, seat cushions can be used for flotation. To use, pull up to remove the bottom cushion. Upon exiting the aircraft, hold the cushion to your chest with the straps facing away. Put your arms through the straps and hold your wrist. Now, before we take off, be sure seat backs are upright, tray tables and carry-on items are stowed, and your armrests are lowered. Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we complete our final safety check, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and enjoyable flight.
Folks, no flight deck, thanks for flash day and Delta's flight 1478 going to Philadelphia. We are number 5 for departure. Flight attendants, please for the gap, 4 take.